Creating a positive environment is crucial to me. I love having a clean space and lighting a candle. Thanks to Dossier, my home not only feels incredible, but it smells amazing. They have products like candles, diffusers, and of course, luxury perfumes. Huge thanks to Dossier for sponsoring this video and making luxury fragrance
Guys,
accessible
today
to
is my
everyone.
birthday. Um, my grandma just sang happy birthday to me. Every year she sings happy birthday to me. She prays for me. It's like our little tradition. And I'm so grateful. So grateful. If you are new, my name is Makeda. Welcome. I literally just ran some errands. I had to drop off some things and now I'm home. I'm gonna get ready later to go to this concert at the Hard Rock, and then tomorrow Sunday I'm gonna have like dinner with my family. And I literally was driving home and I don't know, I started to cry. I'm a Pisces, guys. I don't know what is in this zodiac sign, but I'm a crybaby. And literally, I was just like overwhelmed with so much gratitude, so much like appreciation. And I'm just grateful. Like, sometimes I like get, I think we all do. I think sometimes I'm like down on myself because I can't figure things out in certain situations, but overall I'm so grateful because the biggest blessing in life is life. You know, just God blessing you. And like, I know it sounds not cliche or corny, but it really is like a blessing to wake up every day, no matter how hard life is. And trust me, life can be super hard. Having life is like anything is possible. And yeah, I'm just super grateful. I'm super thankful for my family, like my friends, just everything. I'm super grateful. So yeah, so I'm waiting. My mom and dad are gonna come over. um my mom just called me. She just had like flowers delivered to me. My dad wrote me a card. I was like tearing up. He said, the card from my dad, he said, happy birthday, daughter. Love you very much. You are one of the best things that has happened to me in this lifetime. Bless the God source within you. Love you, daughter. Like, so nice, so sweet. So, and he filled it with cash. Period. Period. But yeah, I'm just super grateful and I'm so thankful. And some of you guys like wish me a happy birthday, and I'm just like, you guys remember my birthday? Like, thank you so much. Officially time for me to go out. I should have like been getting ready with you guys, but my mom came over, she made me dinner, and I wanted to spend some time with her. But my lashes like keep falling out. I don't know if you guys can see, like this one's like bald. So I'm gonna like message her, like if they keep falling out, I'm gonna be like, I gotta come get a fill, girl, because like this one eye keeps falling out like crazy. I don't know why I don't know, like this one looks bald. And don't mind my nails, I get them done tomorrow. Today I just did not have time. Tomorrow's like my official birthday dinner. Today's my birthday, but birthday dinner is tomorrow. Yeah, this is my outfit for the show. This is just, I'm gonna link it down below. I'm gonna link everything, but this is really cute. It's just jeans, because it's a concert. Jeans, a little top, and then a little blazer. The mic was on. Oh my goodness, the concert was so good. I could not find my car because it's like a loop, but there's like two other ladies looking for the same number. But it was so good. Like I was second row center. I had such good ticket. I had such a good seat. Like it was really, really good. Like I could see everyone. Tamia, oh my goodness. Her voice. It was such a good concert. I'm ready to go home. I'm gonna have a little Mom came over and cooked dinner for me. I'm gonna go and eat that. Hey, I shot the sheriff, bop, bop, bop. But I didn't shoot the bad man forward, bad man. Let's play some Joe. Let's put up the streams. That's, the mic was on. Yeah, I'm so happy I went to the concert. I went by myself, by the way. I don't know if I said that in the vlog, but this is the second event I've gone by myself. There's one more concert I want to go to. I would love to go see Nicki in concert, but Nicki, I just know her crowd is just hundreds of thousands. And big crowds like that are insane. Even though Cat Williams' crowd was really, really big, this one was, it wasn't 100% sold out, but I think the parts that wasn't sold out are like the weird, where it's like you can't really see the stage kind of thing. Exit, yeah. But anyways, guys, I will see you tomorrow. We are doing birthday dinner tomorrow with my family, so you guys will see that. Have a good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Oh my gosh, and I have to say this too. This lady, I was so happy for her. How do you exit? Oh, this way. This lady, you can tell she was like such a big fan of Joe, and Joe like called her up to the stage and like held her hand and sang to her. That was the cutest thing. I love that. Like, I love when like artists like acknowledge, like, you know, people that, I love like when artists like acknowledge, like, you know, people that really love them and like are riding for them. And then Tamia, there was this guy that's like was literally singing word for word, and she like blew him kisses, and it was so sweet. Like, her set was incredible. So, oh wow, oh look at that, oh that was so cute. This guy like heard my car coming. That was so cute. This guy heard my car coming, and he was like walking ahead, and he like came back and like protected his woman.
You truly something special. Just when my dreams are really made of, you and me, girl. There's no one like you around.
Hi everyone. I have been picking up the camera. I'm doing better with that. I think this is my friend's new car. Let me text Carla. So basically, my friends my friends are doing like a get together at this winery for my birthday, which is so sweet. I feel so blessed. This birthday, I was like crying my eyes out because I just felt like so blessed. Do I have everything I want? No, but I have life, and I think like that's the greatest. And then I'm picking up my camera more because it's something that I need to do and something that I want to. And then also I got like a comment on one of my videos, and I'll pop it if I can remember to pop it in, and she just basically said like, Makeda, like, what are you doing? Like, I love your vlogs, like, pick up the camera, stop slacking. And she's so right, and I really needed that. And then another gentleman like wished me a happy birthday, and he was like, I love your vlogs, where have they been? Like, why aren't you on YouTube? Like, that's insane. So honestly guys, I'm gonna be very transparent. Like, I've been just like going through it. Like, we all have to, but I think no matter if you're happy, sad, or whatever, you just have to continue to like keep doing what you want to do. Like, no service. They're probably gonna be like, all right, let's go guys. I will show you my dressy dress. Say happy birthday to your sister.
Happy birthday, Cheryl.
The birthday girl. Happy birthday, mommy.